Welcome, healthy food lovers and weight loss enthusiasts. Today, we'll embark on a fascinating journey exploring the incredible benefits of agar-agar, a vegetable jelly extracted from seaweed. Known to be the weight loss secret of the Okinawans, this superfood promises not only to transform your recipes but also to become a powerful weapon against weight loss. Get ready to discover delicious ways to incorporate agar-agar into your diet and revolutionize your well-being journey. Stay tuned. But before we reveal all the secrets of agar-agar, don't forget to download our naturopathic application Vita Naturalis, which will guide you towards a healthier life. Agar-agar is a vegetable jelly extracted from seaweed. Made up of 80% fiber, it swells in the stomach to form a gel that curbs hunger. Not only is it virtually calorie-free and appetite suppressant, but it also captures some of the sugars and fats you ingest at mealtime. So it's an anti-kilo superweapon. In the culinary world, agar-agar is a true treasure. This small algae has the incredible power to add volume to food. For example, when added to an excessively liquid soup, it transforms the consistency without compromising the original flavor. Now, as we venture into the realm of hot beverages, we uncover a fascinating secret. It's not about turning your drink into jelly, but rather enriching your tea or infusion with the benefits of agar-agar, without altering its appearance or taste. The magic lies in the fact that agar-agar solidifies only at 40 degrees Celsius. Therefore, by enjoying your drink without letting it cool too much, you preserve its original texture and flavor. And the instructions for use are simple: just add 1 gram of agar-agar to a cup of your boiling beverage. Stir well and drink before it cools. When using agar-agar in this way, consider having your drink as an appetizer. This allows it to form a jelly in your stomach, encouraging you to eat less and retain some of the sugars and fats from the next meal. In summary, agar-agar is a valuable ally both in the kitchen and in the pursuit of a more balanced diet. Enjoy its benefits and try these simple tips for a journey towards a healthier and tastier life. An important point to highlight is that agar-agar requires heat to transform into jelly. Therefore, it is not advisable to dissolve it in a glass of fresh water or fruit juice. Instead, opt to prepare a hot beverage or incorporate this ingredient into delicious and healthy weight loss recipes. Agar-agar is commonly found in powder form. It is recommended to purchase it from specialized stores and organic products, where you can find the best quality. So, always remember the need to heat agar-agar to enjoy its benefits and make the most of its properties on your journey towards a healthy and balanced diet. Here are some examples of delicious and healthy recipes using agar-agar. And here we conclude our amazing exploration of agar-agar. We hope you've been inspired to adopt this superfood into your daily lives. If you're seeking a healthy and flavorful approach to weight loss, agar-agar is undoubtedly a brilliant choice. Remember to check out the detailed instructions and delicious recipes shared throughout this video. If you enjoyed the content, leave your comments, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing healthy eating tips. Until the next culinary adventure.